Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to... Well, hello, my pretties. Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Sondra Unfolding. Today, what do we have for you in plus size? Let's do It's Fashion Metro.
I am the lady from New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
Well, you know, when I go out, anytime I hit the stores, I'm hitting the stores for the plus size girls, the curvy girls. Every time I go shopping, if you've been on my channel, you know, anytime I go to a store, I go look and see what they have for the plus size girls. So I went shopping plus size and I was out of town. I came across It's Fashion Metro right there. Now, a lot of people may not have heard of this store, and that's okay, because a lot of the items you can find somewhere else that they have in this store. All you have to do is go to Google, put a description of the outfit that you want, and something similar will come up. Describe the outfit as best as you can and see what type of outfits come up. You'd be surprised the same outfit may come up. It has happened to me so many times. If I get an inspiration for something, that's what I do. And on my next haul, a lot of the things that I have gotten, I saw an inspiration picture and I put in a description and it came out and let me know where it was, what stores have it. I found the store that has the same exact item that I bought, but it was at a different store. So don't think because you don't have a It's Fashion near you, because I don't have a It's Fashion near me. But whenever I see a store, especially a store I've never seen before, I always go shopping for the plus size girlies. Okay, let's get into today's haul. First, I have this set here. Now, this is the top and this is the skirt. It has black line going down the side. It has that square color pattern, black and like a beigeish brown. And around here it has the black. The top is it's a sweater set. Now, if you wanted to find something similar to this, I would go to Google. I would put sweater set, whatever color you may want it in, and make sure you put a set. Make sure if you're plus size, put plus size. If you're not plus size, you just put whatever your size is. And you'd be surprised of the store. Be detailed, black collar or white collar, whatever kind of collar you want. Be specific on the skirt, that it has a line down the side, whatever color you want, or if it's similar to the one I'm showing you. Now, this is a set, but I paid for them separately. Now, sometimes I'm not mad at paying for things separately, because this right here was $21.99, and it's a 3X, the top. Okay, now this top runs small, so if this came into a set where you get one price, the top would have been too small for me and the bottom would have been fit in just right, or vice versa. Or the skirt would have been too big and the top would have been too small. So I got the top in a 3X. The skirt is, focus, if you can, it's not focusing, but it's $19.99, and it's a size 2X is what I got the skirt in, a 2X. So that's the benefit of paying for them separate. Like the skirt was cheaper than the top. The top was $21.99 and the skirt was $19.99. I got to get 2 different sizes because they were sold separately. So that's the benefit of it being sold separately, which comes out better for us plus size girls, us curvy girls who may have a little more up here, less down here, or vice versa. It's always good to get a set where you can buy them separately and you can get whatever size you want. If you want a 1X in the top, 3X in the bottom, you know, you can get that. I came up with some sweater sets. I got some inspiration of some more sweater sets that I would like to get sometime this year or maybe next year. You know, it's always good to just look and see what you want to put in your wardrobe. I got these earrings right here from It's Fashion. Now, I bought some earrings. Every time I go away, I go to this store. Now, I have bought these, and I love these. I love to wear these when I put on my leather skirts or black outfits, casual outfits. I love to wear these earrings. So now I found these in the brown. It has little diamonds around the side. So next, I'm going to show you guys some boots that I bought. But first, I want to show you guys, do you guys remember a couple of hauls ago when I showed you these boots here? Now, we're just talking about finding the same thing in different places. I think I paid 28 something for these boots here. A lot of people love these boots. I wore them and I got so many people saying, oh, where did you get these boots from? But guess what? I found these boots at another store as well. Take a look. I want to show you guys my new boots. I'm all about strange looking things. I like that corky. I just think it brings out the fashion. And these are really corky. First, when I started walking in them, I think because of the heel, it felt a little funny. But as I kept walking in them, they were fine. They zip down in the back here. They are a size 8.5. I could have gotten an 8, but I wanted to make sure that they fit out the detail here in the front. I'm at Akira, and these boots are the same ones I showed you from Shein. Same style, just a different color. The golden brown pair is $79.90, and the off-white is $89.90. I paid $28.31 at Shein. Same boots, very different price. Okay, but as you see, these were inexpensive, a little more different. And like I said, these are corky. That's why I bought them. Now, the other ones at Akira, they were very nice too. Both of them, the like goldish brown one and the beige one, they were very, very nice. But like I said, I bought these because of the different looks. Just, I call it the corky look. So now I want to show you the boots that I have gotten from It's Fashion Metro. these are the boots right here. They some little short little cowboy boots. Now I bought these boots because this is the one side with the zipper. It's easier to get on your feet when you zip that down. And then this is with the buckle on the side. And they're a little short version of the cowboy boots with that heel like that. These were on the clearance rack, and I said, oh, I like them. And for the price that I paid for them, I like them even better. So these boots right here, and they're like suede. This is suede right here on the sides, and the silver little specks here. They are a size 8. Yeah, I like them. Now, I have seen at It's Fashion, I have seen a pocketbook. I have gotten this pocketbook from It's Fashion. I have did a haul on It's Fashion before. I bought this, and I found this bag at Shein and Amazon. So, like I said, even though you never heard of the store before, you can find it at other stores. Just Google it and you could find it. And I found this here at Shein and Amazon. Same exact bag. Now, how do you guys like my lip combo? You know me, I really like just getting from the beauty supply store. I get like nudes. I get me a darker nude and like a lighter nude, put it on. And this one is more glossy, put it on top, and that's it. I wanted to try something different. My favorite people, I saw that De'arra Taylor did her lip. From the lip balm, she did her lip combo. And Jenee Taylor, she did her lip combo. So I end up purchasing these two. And I'm going to show you how it worked for me.
But first, we're going to put on my lip combo with the lip bar. This is limited edition if you missed it. This has been my go-to nude lip literally for the past 5 months. It goes with every eye look. I started with Straight Living liner, applied that to the perimeter of my lips, kind of made a little ombre situation. And then I put 90s Fine in the center and I just blend it in. I actually like to do 2 coats very lightly, blend it out. You can use like a little, let it dry down before I put the gloss on, and I just tap the gloss. And this stays for a very long time, it has great wear, and the gloss just adds a little shine.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say.
Plus, I got 2 samples. They gave me this one from the lip balm, and they gave me this color. I tried these on, and this right here I thought was a little too dark, but it was okay. It wasn't too bad, just something I have to get used to. And this was a sample that came with my purchase. And then this one here is called Toast. This is called Toast. I really like this. It's coming out a little lighter on the camera, but it's a little darker in real life. Now, I like to put this on and put my gloss on top of it. This sample is a really, really me. And it's called Toast. And this was another sample that came with my order. Now, I ordered this around December. It took a long time to come. I think because it was the holidays, just overwhelmed with purchases because they have 2 big YouTubers. Maybe they have a lot of orders. I don't know. It took a long time, but I'm really blaming it on the holiday season. Happy with my purchases. Let me know in the comments. Now, this one right here is De'arra's. Let me know in the comments which one did you like on me the best. Okay, so let's get back to the haul. I got this jacket now. One fun fact about me, I love jean jackets. I have all kinds of jeans jackets. No sleeves, sleeves, short sleeves, different colors, blues, browns, anything different. And when I saw this was different. And I just had to have it. The back of it, look at that, iconic. Then it has that patchwork in the back of the jacket, and then in the front, and this is a size 1X. It was marked down so many times. I got it off the clearance rack. It was $29.99, then it was $23.99, then it was $19.99, and then the last markdown when I bought it was $13.99. Really nice jacket. So now I'm just gonna let you see an overall of what I bought from It's Fashion.
I don't want you going nowhere. 'Cause on the corners of your mind, there's somebody to unwind. Don't waste time. Said you love the way I noticed how you look into my eyes right before we cross the line.
Well, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in once again to Sondra Unfolding. So glad that you came in. Don't forget to hype up the video. Hype me up. Hype me up. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to give the video a like. I put in the work and I do the research for you. And subscribe if you're new. We would love to have you. I will see you beautiful people on the next haul.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run for